Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time. It's another gorgeous day in Palos Verdes. Hi, I'm Jason Buck. Welcome to the Palos Verdes Broker Open House Tour. Starting our day off on Braidwood. Nice two-story home, all brick entrance here. It's super cool. Step right in, we got a tile entrance. Comes into here, we've got like a big nook kind of area. So it's a breakfast area, but an open kitchen. Kind of a dated backsplash and stuff. It's all right. The openness is really nice. And then it moves into this area, dining. And the big living room here. Some yard. Goes through. We got our, it's a split level for the rest. So downstairs we have a family room here. And then a wet bar side over here. So we have all these built-ins, wet bar type stuff. There is a patio in the back. And some grass. Pretty good sized yard. I can't get out there right now. Oh. There's a bath down here. Okay, half bath. And then you have laundry over here. Which is nice because it also has direct access to the garage. So, upstairs, we got the wainscoting, it's nice. The master over here. Looks like original windows. Let's see the yard again. Tile roof, which is nice. Walk-in closet here. 3/4 bath. A little closet. Upstairs, share bath. Couple more rooms. These original windows. 2, and this one's got some ocean view. So 4 up top. Good spot. So if you're looking to live in PV under $1 million, this is a great option. We're right next door to Golden Cove Plaza. It's like right behind that. There's Trader Joe's, a couple really good restaurants, a new fish market, and you know there's an animal hospital. This is a great location. There's walking trails everywhere. 3 bedrooms on this property here, listed at $790. So this is gonna go. This is a great deal to be on the hill. So come around your front door. Step in, we got a tile entrance. There's a half bath right off the bat. You have your hall closet here and you have direct access to the garage. So it is 2-car. They do have laundry in here. And then your water heater and some room. So good space. So here's our big living room. Very nice. And then what I like is, wham, you're right outside. Look at this, this is beautiful. That's City Hall up there. And look at all this open land. It's amazing, right down to the ocean. The lighthouse is just right around there, so you can't quite see it, but this is amazing. And then they've beautified this whole hillside with walking trails and everything. So this is a great spot. This is fantastic. Pretty nice upgraded kitchen. Yeah, this is a good deal. It's open, and from here you can see the view. The ocean out there. Love it. go upstairs. Master's on the view side. It's nice. Big bath here. Big tub. Big walk-in closet. Here's our upstairs. It's just a linen closet. Here's the upstairs bath. 3/4. And 2 other rooms. I mean, what it is, you're in PV in a great spot. It's super nice.
How are all your girls?
Yeah, the brood. Yeah, they're doing good.
This is amazing. All right, next stop, I'm on a street called Corinna. We're up above Marylest High School, or excuse me, Marymount College. We're not quite to Marylest yet. Anyways, Corinna, off near Ganado. And this is a really interesting property. It's got a huge ocean view. I could use some work, but it's got a great bones, good foundation. So we come in, look at all this openness. That's your living or your dining side, and this is your family side. There's a bath here that stretches on into the master. Let's look on this side first here. So we have a nook here, and then a beautiful kitchen, and then this door goes directly to the garage. So cabinetry was original. That's all right. Really nice setup here where you can look straight through right out to Catalina Island. It's beautiful. So there is laundry in the garage. Whoop, hi. There's laundry, another door, 2-car garage, good spot. And then, you know, here's where it's at. I like how they have the fireplace see through both sides. You can get around the other side of it. They've done some work to these windows here. So these are newer windows. We come outside and this is just gorgeous. This is beautiful. So a nice yard. When you get to this deck and it's just wham. Wow, what a view. So there's Marymount College right there. Then you'd probably get some of the port, a little bit, not really. Nope, but you get all of Catalina. And then you get quite a bit of sunset as it goes all the way around. Wow, this is amazing. What a neat spot. You could put windows there, that would be amazing. So up towards Terranea there. This is nice how they did this deck. Not everybody does that. What a great spot. Great setup. The dog's not happy. Air conditioning. Here's the master in the back. It's got a huge walk-in closet, and then you come into this bathroom. Skim ceilings, nice. There's another bedroom, so the windows are done. The other bath, it's got a tub and a shower. Oh, there's 2 rooms over here. So you can see, because of the view, it's so good. Putting a big window there and making this all one big room, taking this wall out and bringing this into your bath. So you have a door here that brings into the master. And you would still have one room here then another large room back here. So tons of potential, and this is all great through here with the skylights and everything. This is amazing. So I like this one a lot.
Yeah.
We're now on Via Siena. This is located just down from Leste Plaza, and some beautiful views out to the ocean and the harbor. Nice property here. 2-car garage down below, and single level up above, probably big view. All right, stepping on in, I noticed beautiful hardwood floors, and it appears that they did a huge remodel here. They opened everything up. You got double pane windows that are new. This is nice. Wow. Beautiful big great room here. This is gorgeous. Nice windows, and we can see through down to the harbor and some ocean. Wow, that is pretty. This area is part of Palos Verdes Estate's archery, so it has the red tile roof and a little bit more building code things. Seek the city for more information. So there's a nice patio here with a great view too. That is super. I love the way they did this kitchen. The quartz is beautiful. Nice big cabinetry, maple lined. Stove. Wow, huge sink. This looks beautiful. Really nice setup. Let's check out the bedrooms. So here's a room in the back. Once again, double pane windows. Look at this floor here. It's beautiful. Super cool bath. Double sink. I love the tub. Awesome. This is probably laundry. Yep. And a bedroom. And another room in the back. Wow, fireplace. That's nice. It's raised foundation too, so there's stuff underneath. The way you get around. This is pretty. Oh, barn door. Love barn doors. And nice shower. All right, great spot. And then that comes right in. Beautiful listing. Thanks a lot for watching. If there's a home that you want to see, please write to me. I'd be happy to show it to you. I have a lot of information that I'd be happy to share. Just give me a call or write me an email. Thanks, and make it a great day.